Hello, I'm Dr. Vaidehi Dande. I'm a consulting pediatrician in Prabhadevi. Today, let us talk about the most daunting problems which parents face, that is, a child with high grade fever. Why does the fever happen? Usually, fever is a sign of an underlying infection. Most commonly in children, it is a viral infection. More often than not, the fever lasts for around 2 to 3 days and then resolves on its own. You, as a parent, need to know how to manage the child in those 2 to 3 days when he or she is having fever. Tepid sponging can be done. For this, you have to wet a cloth with regular water and wipe the baby's body with the wet cloth right from top to bottom. Besides that, ensure that you don't overclothe the child. So the child should be wearing breathable cotton clothes, and also the room temperature should be maintained at 26 to 28 degrees centigrade, which will help in reducing the fever fast. But be aware that whatever you do, the fever is going to last for around 2 to 3 days, and the effect of medicine doesn't last for more than 4 to 6 hours. So it's okay to give the medicine every 4 to 6 hours after measuring the temperature. And whenever the temperature increases to more than 100, you can give the medicine without any problem. How will you measure the temperature of the child? Temperature can be checked using a thermometer. There are different thermometers available in the market. Electronic thermometers are good, but they take time for showing a temperature reading. Usually 1 to 2 minutes are required, and the thermometer needs to be kept under the armpit, and you have to keep the thermometer for around 1 to 2 minutes till you hear the beep. And if the temperature is more than 100 degree Fahrenheit, or if it is more than 38.5 degrees centigrade, medicine is warranted. Besides that, infrared thermometers are available, which are non-contact thermometer, and they give a reading within 1 or 2 seconds. So for children, infrared thermometers are quite accurate, and they are very convenient also. Is it that simple that all the fevers can be treated at home and there is no need for any medical attention? The answer to it is that you should know when to visit your pediatrician. If the fever is very high grade, that is, it is constantly more than 102 degree Fahrenheit, if the fever is not coming down with the medicines, if the fever lasts for more than 2 to 3 days, or if it is associated with any other additional signs, like if the child is drowsy, irritable, if the urine output goes down, if you observe that there is any rash, or if there is any change in behavior of the child, it is a warning sign, and be aware that these need medical attention and you can't manage such a fever at home. For more such details, follow my YouTube channel and my Instagram account, Care for Your Child.